In this video, I will be showing you how to delete your entire chat history in Edge Copilot. Let's get started. First, I click on the address bar and type in copilot.microsoft.com, then press enter to open the Microsoft Copilot page. Once the page loads, I navigate to the bottom left corner and click on the settings gear icon. In the pop-up menu that appears, I select the settings option. This opens up the settings panel, and from the left-hand menu, I click on privacy. Within the privacy settings, I look for the option that says export or delete history and click on it. The page will take a brief moment to load, bringing me to a Microsoft sign-in prompt. I click on the blue sign-in button. I then click on my saved account at the bottom to continue. Microsoft will prompt me to verify my identity, so I choose the sign in with Google option. However, an error screen appears stating there's a problem on their side. To work around this, I go back to the original Copilot tab and click on Export or Delete History once again. I click Sign In on the Trust page, select my account email from the list below, and this time, instead of using the Google shortcut, I click the Send Code button. A message appears letting me know a code has been sent to my email. I open a new browser tab, click on my Google Apps menu in the top right, and open my Gmail inbox. I click on the verification email from the Microsoft account team to view it. I highlight and copy the temporary 6-digit code provided in the text. Switching back to the Microsoft Verification tab, I click into the text box and paste the code. The browser automatically processes it and loads a privacy note. I review the details and click the blue OK button at the bottom. Next, a passkey creation prompt appears. I click the blue Create button to proceed. A Google Password Manager pop-up prompts me to create a recovery PIN, so I enter a custom 6-digit number and click Confirm. The page updates to show that the passkey has been successfully created, and I click OK to dismiss the notification. The browser will take a few moments to finish redirecting and setting up my secure session. Once it completes, I am brought to the Copilot Activity History Management page. I scroll down slightly to view the activity options. Under the Copilot Apps section, I find the options to manage my history. I then click on Delete All Activity History to clear everything. Finally, I move down to the Copilot in Microsoft 365 Apps section and click Delete All Activity History there as well. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.